In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. QIDI Plus for 3D printer. The QIDI Technology X Plus 4 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for both professionals and beginners, featuring a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches that enhances efficiency by allowing multiple models to be printed simultaneously. It boasts a second-generation active chamber heating system with 400 W power, ensuring balanced temperatures to minimize warping and cracking during high-temperature filament printing. The upgraded 80 W hot end reaches a maximum temperature of 370 degrees Celsius, supporting a wide range of materials, including high-temp filaments like PPSEF and ABS. User-friendly features include quick setup, remote printing capabilities via the QIDI mobile app, and real-time monitoring through an HD camera. Additionally, the printer is built for durability with a dual motor-driven Z-axis and a robust aluminum hot bed, ensuring precision and quality in every print. The X Plus 4 also supports multicolor printing with an integrated filament cutter and is compatible with the upcoming QIDI box for automatic multifilament feeding, set to launch in early 2025. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer is a cutting-edge machine that leverages a lightweight Core XY system, achieving speeds of up to 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm², making it 12 times faster than standard 3D printers without compromising print quality. This upgraded model features a clog-free direct extruder and a tri-metal unicorn nozzle, allowing for reliable printing with carbon fiber filaments. With hands-free auto-calibration and dynamic balancing to minimize vibrations, the K1C ensures precision in every print. It is equipped with an AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography, enhancing the printing experience. The enclosed chamber design supports high-temperature materials, while an effective air purification system keeps the workspace clean and quiet, operating at less than or equal to 45 dB. Powered by Creality OS, the printer offers a robust software ecosystem for custom optimizations and remote control capabilities. Additionally, Creality provides a 12-month after-sales support service, ensuring assistance is readily available for users. Number 3. QIDI Max 3 3D printer. The QIDI Technology X Max 3 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for both professionals and beginners, featuring a large print size of 325 by 325 by 315 mm and a maximum speed of 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm² acceleration. Fully assembled and equipped with auto leveling, this printer utilizes Clipper firmware and a Core XY structure for ease of use. Its ultra-stable all-metal frame and robust components, including a 6 mm aluminum heatbed and hardened steel linear shafts, ensure smooth and reliable printing over time. The X Max 3 supports a wide range of high-performance materials, such as carbon fiber and glass fiber composites, while also accommodating standard filaments like PLA and ABS. With an enclosed chamber heating system and dual cooling fans, it delivers exceptional print quality and fine detail capture, making it ideal for intricate designs and prototypes. Additionally, the open-source Clipper firmware and QIDI Slicer software facilitate remote control and customization, enhancing the overall user experience. Number 4. Flsun T1 Pro 3D printer. The Flsun T1 Pro Delta printer is a high-speed 3D printing solution that boasts impressive capabilities, reaching speeds of up to 1000 mm per second and an acceleration of 30,000 mm², thanks to its advanced control chip and high-speed cooling silent fan. This printer features a dual-gear direct drive extruder that can heat up to 300 degrees Celsius, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of materials, including PLA, PETG, TPU, and ABS, while maintaining exceptional flow rates of 90 mm³/s. The integrated AI camera allows for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography, enhancing the printing experience. With one-button automatic leveling, a material break detector, and vibration compensation, the T1 Pro ensures accuracy and reliability in every print. Its user-friendly design includes support for various slicing software, a color touch screen, and a quick installation process, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Additionally, the printer operates quietly at 55 decibels, allowing for a seamless integration into any environment. Number 5. Flsun Sonic 3D Printer. The Flsun Sonic Mighty Revo is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed for high-resolution printing and enhanced user experience. Featuring a 10.1-inch display with an impressive 14K resolution, it can produce intricate details as fine as 16.8 by 24.8 m, making it ideal for applications like jewelry design and prototyping. The printer integrates advanced smart features, including patented sensors for residue and failure detection, which automatically halt printing if abnormalities are detected. With 24/7 mobile connectivity through the Flsun Geo app, users can remotely monitor and control their prints. The Sonic Mighty Revo also includes productivity-enhancing features such as auto-leveling, a built-in heater for optimal resin viscosity, and a spacious print volume of 8.8 by 5 by 9.3 inches. Designed with user comfort in mind, it boasts an eco-friendly air purifier system to manage resin fumes and a large 5-inch touch panel for intuitive operation. Additionally, it supports various connectivity options, including USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi, while ensuring easy maintenance with a simplified LCD replacement process.